Samsung is bricking the Z Fold and Z Flip 3's cameras if you unlock the bootloader. Oh, that sucks.
Pretty
So
annoying.
if you're a tinker, like they already make it really difficult to get root
It's
file system
also
access.
it's also very intentional. Like it's not like, oh, we overlooked this thing and it happens to brick it when you unlock the thing. It's definitely on purpose.
And it's just like, I understand, blah, blah, Samsung Knox, blah, blah, security. But the fact is that this is a feature that turns perfectly working hardware into a brick once you stop supporting it with your software updates, which you're Samsung. You're going to do that at some point. So XDA senior members, oh boy, White Bear is, I think, the direct translation from the Chinese name, and Ian MacD um, showed the final confirmation screen during the bootloader unlock process on the Z Fold 3 that mentions that completing the operation will cause the camera to be disabled. So this isn't without precedent. Sony pulled this with their Xperia devices. If you unlocked the bootloader of any Sony Xperia device, it would result in nothing but green pictures. Other software features like Sony's video and audio enhancements were similarly borked. I would have to assume that this is to prevent anyone from reverse engineering the way that their enhancements work. That would be the only good reason I could think of for Sony to implement it in that particular way. But the big problem here is that if Samsung becomes as locked down as Apple, a lot of the benefits of going Android, well, with a Samsung device, go away compared to just buying an iPhone in the first place. Um, yeah, I'm not that into that. What I
No,
am into though,
apparently there have been some workarounds already found. So
that's good to know.
that's good.